I think one of the refreshing things about Esquire was not only the understanding that they have for our business, but the encouragement, the attitude within the executives for us to go further and to invest more in ourselves because they see the return on it. Relationships with other banks are more complicated. And it's not because they're not well-intentioned, it's simply because they don't have the experience in the field that Esquire Bank has. My name is Moshe Maimon. I'm the managing partner of Levy Konigsberg here in New York City. We have offices in New Jersey, Maryland, and now Philadelphia. We have around 60 people who work in the office. They are a mixture of attorneys, paralegals, staff, each with tremendously important roles to play. We handle complex personal injury litigation, high-value, high-impact litigation that deals with not only devastating injuries that people have suffered, but devastating consequences to communities in general. When you're facing a large litigation, whether it is against a large corporation, whether it's against a government, or whether it's against an institution, you not only have to be able to afford to have the litigation, you have to be able to afford to staff the litigation, and you have to be able to afford to wait until that litigation comes to a point where your clients are compensated and you can realize fees. The nature of our business requires a credit facility and a bank to partner with in order to achieve that. Esquire understands that you need great lawyers, great staff, great experts, all the things that are necessary in order to make the cases successful. They understand the court system and they understand the timing of everything. What it allows us to do is maintain the level of staffing and the quality of staffing that we have, and to be able to afford to do the excellent work that we do, and at the same time work the cases. And Esquire is there for each step of that way. A typical commercial bank not only is reticent to loan you money, but they want to know the exact date in which you're paying it back. Once we were able to forge a partnership with Esquire Bank, we had the freedom to operate in the best interests of our clients and have a financial institution that understood that we were going to borrow more. The transition to Esquire Bank was seamless. It made our jobs easier. All of our accounts transferred seamlessly and easily, and we never had a problem. The moment that we actually made the switch from our prior bank to Esquire, the one question that I had in mind was, why didn't I do this sooner? There are two primary ways in which Esquire has been there for our firm. One is in having a constant and regular open communication with the people at Esquire to determine, okay, here's what you've been doing, what do you need now, and how can we help? I think that's been a tremendous help to our firm in its growth. Second of all is that when you actually need something, they're there. Recently, our firm opened up an office in Philadelphia, and within a matter of hours, escrow and operating accounts were established through Esquire, and we were able to conduct all the business we wanted. The relationship that our firm has with Esquire is based on mutual respect and trust. They respect what we do, we respect what they do. We trust them and they trust us. One of the things I think that is tremendous about the executives at Esquire that you don't see in most corporate banks and transactional banks is the understanding of the business, the trust, and the sense that we're in this together. Whereas another bank would simply be looking at what are your receivables and when is the loan being paid off, as opposed to what can we do to make you more successful. They're there to really partner with you and to help you achieve your success.